Hi and welcome to appsilike.net. So after moving until our last video for this section for the 2.0 panel, what we have now, we have already published our app. Our systems is working about the API and working about all this information. Now let's see what other things our platform will help for. We have the promote. The promote basically it's standard, how to say it, where we can help you to promote your app. What we will need from you. So supposedly that you already publish your app on the App Store or on the Google Play, we will need to have your address here to add it here. When you add your address and when you add the other address also, so you will have the iOS address and the Android address and you save it. We will be creating the QR code. What will help the QR code? The QR code, it's extremely important if you are also working on the offline business. What it's mean, if you have the football team or if you have a football crew and you have some big banner that you will edit on the entrance of the football stadium. So if you have this QR code and you can mention like this one, download our app via this QR code. It will help them better them just searching for your team or the name of your football team into the Google Play or the App Store. It's from my point of view, it's things that will help you promote your business. Analytic. So we have two Analytic. We have the future Analytic and we have the app Analytic. Let's move forward. The app Analytic, I think we spoke about it on our first video. As I say here, you have it's not real data. These are the demo data. You will need to publish your app to have the real data. But as you can see, from January until July, you can see the graphic. You see the total visits that they visit your app and the total install. So basically, the number of install all the time needed something to be less than the total of visit, because the total of visits, because you have many pages inside your app, and some clients install it and they visit more pages than installing. Here we have also like a beautiful graphic, how much are the install, the number of the install for the iOS and for the Android. Here we have also the cool one is the user localization. So if you are located in Asia or if you are located in America, you can see how much person they install your application from Asia or from Europe or from America. The time they spend it on your application. Here the visits by each type, like what they how many visits you have, and what page, like the contact page they visit like 82 times, the m-commerce they visit like 90 times. So it means they are interested about the m-commerce more than the content or so on. And let's see the other analytic. Okay, this one is extremely important if you are using the e-commerce page. Here we have the total sale that you have it, how much you sell for each category. You have the total visit, the sale by payment method. That means if they pay it like a debit or credit card, or they pay it via PayPal. And the average cart, like each time each client that when they buy from your store, they are putting just one item, two item, or three item. So this analytic is extremely important for you to know which product is sold more and what your client they are searching for, like product, which product has been visited the most. And regarding discount, you can see which type of discount they are using. If you are using like for product one, then you need to think to change the price for the product one. This one's very important. Also the loyalty card, which one they are using, the scratch card. If you are using the scratch card, this one extremely important just to have a general view, and you can see you can make also some filters that starting from 7/9/2017 until 14. You can do it for 1 day, for 1 week, for 1 month, or for whole year. What we have else? We have also the users. So if we have some user that they installed and they have their login, we can check it here. So there's no user for this application, but you also can add a user to the application. I prefer to be the system automatic, like they add it from the application. But also you have this option to add the user, like his name, his details, all this information. This one is to add another user for this platform. My fault. Okay, and finally we have the settings, we have the term and conditions, the domain. This one is cool one, the domain. The domain is a cool one because we will have the address. For example, this address, if you just copy it on another tab, it will open the app for you. And like this, you can check it. You can see, right? So if you put it like this, it's a small one. You see? Cool one. You can test it like this. Okay, and last but not least, here, this one are for the models. We have the loyalty analytics, the progressive loyalty card. We have also the other one, but also the customer data. We have the loyalty control. All this information, you can study it. It's extremely important, as I say before, for offline business. If they have some sales, if you want to have more sale online, they need to start to study this data, and based on this data, I think they can make some changes on their prices and their strategy, like their promoting strategy. So I think we speak about all these, and as I said before, this one, notification and support. This one is support, will send you to our some info, writing info, how to download the app previewer. We have also the previewer for the iOS and for the Android, how to use it, some tutorials, and other questions. So thank you guys. And this is all for the 2.0 panel. Thank you. Bye.